is the return capsule of Shenzhou 18 manned spaceship, which has just landed at the Dongfeng landing site in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. Let's wait together for the 3 astronauts to come out of the return capsule. The Shenzhou 18 crew members, consisting of Ye Guangfu, Li Cong, and Li Guangsu, were launched to the Tiangong space station in April. After completing a 6-month space station mission, they held a handover ceremony with the Shenzhou 19 crew and transferred the keys of the space station to them on Friday. According to the China Manned Space Agency, the astronauts are in good physical conditions, and the mission is a complete success.